Hello students, in this class we will see LBA, quadratic equation, 3 marks questions, 1 marks, 2 marks we have seen already, 3 marks question we will see in this class to some extent because there are so many 3 marks questions and solving each of them in one class will take more than hour of time. Again I'll give you clue that I will stop at a point where we get equation, from there you have to solve it. Okay, I'll construct your equation and leave it for each question as far as possible in this class. 46th. Sum of the areas of two squares is 640 meter square. Sum of the areas of two squares means let edge of first square is equal to a meters. Then let edge of second square is equal to b meters. M is enough. I wrote MTS there in the first one. M is enough. Then according to given, what is that? According to given, sum of their squares means a square plus b square is what? 640 meter square. Then if the difference between their perimeters is 64, also 4a minus 4b equal to 64. Perimeter is what? If a is the edge, 4a is the perimeter of the cube. If you look at the equation, we can take 4 common so that it becomes easy for solving. If we take 4 common, it will become a minus b equal to 64. Then when you transpose this 4 to the right side, it will go down, means the denominator. 4 1 ja 4 6 ja 24. Okay, then a minus b is 16. See, this is a one equation, and a equal to b plus 16. This is second equation. Therefore, putting this in 1, what we get instead of a, what I can write? B plus 16 whole square plus b square is equal to 640. Open this. I'll construct till the quadratic equation. B square means a plus b whole square you apply. A square plus b 2ab 2 into b into 16 32b plus 256 plus b square minus 640. I'll take it to the left side and so see. B square plus b square is 2b square. Where are the b square? Just check out here, b square and 1b square. This is 320b will be, sorry, 32b will come like that. Then 640 it is, right? Sorry. 640 minus 256 you have to do. What you get? Check out. 640 minus 256. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 13 minus 5 is 8. 5 minus 6 minus 4 is 6 minus 2 is 4. 484. Okay. What 484 it is? Minus 484 equal to 0. In that also, if you take 2 common, it will become 2 6 in the 32 minus 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are equal to 0. That is b square plus 16b minus 242 is 0. Once you solve this, you get b. Once you solve this, you get b. You substitute b into, you get a. So what is asked is find the side. A and b are the sides. Okay. I'm not solving to the end. I hope, because you need practice as well. So solving the quadratic equation, we have seen it. You solve by yourself. Let's see the 47th one. Sum of the squares of two consecutive odd positive integers. When you assume first odd number as x, then next odd number will be x plus 2. Don't say x plus 1. If x is your odd number, say 3. For 3, if you add 1, it will become even number. So, consecutive odd numbers x and x plus 1. Okay. According to given, x and x plus 2, I made a mistake. X plus 2 equal to 290. Open the bracket, x square plus 2x minus 290 equal to 0. Solve yourself. Okay, solve yourself. Once you find x, then you say you add to that, there are the numbers. Here, we'll move to the next question. 48. See, we are not here to solve every question. Since it's a LBA, you should have idea of solving the questions. Okay. When you practice LBA also, don't jump and solve to the end of the last dot of the answer. No, that's not required. It will waste. You are wasting your time. Age of a mother is twice the square of the age of the sun. So we don't know. First, let sun's age be x years. Age of the mother is twice the square of the age of the sun. Therefore, mother age becomes what? Mother age is equal to twice the square of the age of the sun, means 2x square years. Mother says. After 8 years, so what is the ages? First you find that, then you apply the logic. After 8 years, their ages, sun's age is x plus 8 years, mother's age is 2x square plus 8 years. Okay, read the question now. After 8 years, mother's age will be 4 year more than the twice the age of the sun. Mother's age will be means you write 2x square plus 8 is equal to 4 year more than, means 4 plus you have to do. What to what? Thrice the age of the sun. Thrice the age of the sun, you add 4. Okay. This is the question. Please read the question again. Mother's age after 8 years will be, mother's age after 8 years will be 4 more than the thrice the age of the sun. Okay. Now you open the bracket, make a standard quadratic equation, then you solve. I'll bring this question till the quadratic equation part. Let's see. 2x square plus 8 is equal to 3x plus 24 plus 4. 2x square plus 8 is equal to 3x plus 24 plus 4, 28. I'll take to the left side. 2x square minus 3x minus 28 will come, and plus 8 means minus 20 equal to 0. You solve this, find the x, that will be sun age, and 2x square will be mother age. You have to do yourself. 48 is done. 49. Okay, the difference between the altitude and base of the right angle is 5 centimeter. See, I have this right angle. Difference between the altitude and base of the right angle. If I assume base as x, altitude as y. Okay, altitude as x, y, and base as x. Let's see what happens. So according to given, difference between the altitude and base is 5, means y minus x will be 5. Okay, let's see. Y minus x will be 5. Then if the area of the triangle is 150 centimeter square, is right, area is 150 cm square. Apply the area formula. What is the formula? 5 centimeter it is, right? Then area is half into base into height, because it is a right angle triangle. Area is equal to half into base into height. Area is 150. Half into base is what? X. Height is what? Y minus x. So 150 into 2, 300 equal to, in this one, what I'll say, base is x, height is y minus x, right? Sorry, not y to y minus x, my mistake. It is y. What is y? I'll take y equal to 5 plus x. So x into x plus 5, that is x square plus 5x minus 300 equal to 0. Solve this. Okay, you should know solving this very well. Once you get x, you say base is what they asked. Find the base and altitude. X itself is base, and y you add 5 to that. That will be your altitude. Okay, we'll move to the next question. 50th one. The sum of the square of two consecutive even positive integers. Check out, even positive means x is even means x plus 2 is also even. So that x square plus x plus 2 whole square is 164. Okay, so you would write consecutive even positive integers are x and x plus 2. You say according to given sum of squares of consecutive odd integers means x of x plus x plus 2 whole square is 164. So you construct a equation. I hope you can do this. This is a plus b whole square. 2 to the 4x plus 4 is equal to 164. X square plus x square becomes 2x square plus 4x minus 160 plus 4 is minus 164. Minus 164 plus 4 is 1 minus 160. 2 if you take common, always try to make simple equations instead of finding factors for big numbers. This will ease our problem. So you find factors for minus 80 and you continue. Once you find the x, add to the 2 for the x, you get the integers. Okay. This completes the 50th question. We'll see the 51. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27, product is 182. Let numbers be x and y. Let numbers be x and y. Therefore, according to given, sum of two numbers is 27. Then I say x 27 minus y. Product is 182. Instead of x, you put minus 27 minus y and y equal to 182. So open the bracket, 27y minus y square is equal to 182. I'll transpose to the right side everything. I get plus y square minus 27y plus 182. Note that I did not transfer 182 to the left side. Instead, I transferred everything to the left side. Sorry, right side. Now you solve this, you get y value, right? Once you find the y value, you put in x this equation, you get the x value. Okay. This LBA solving is nothing but giving you a path for the question, how to approach, how to solve it. Okay. Remember, 52 I will solve. The altitude of a right triangle similar to the question 49th. Let's see this. At least we'll solve 10 questions in this class. Remaining we can see in the next class. Okay. Then, sorry. Let this be right angle triangle. 52, right? The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Means if I assume x as base and x minus 7 will be altitude. If hypotenuse is 13, means according to see, you write let base be x centimeter. Therefore, altitude becomes x minus 7 centimeter. Their given hypotenuse is equal to what? 13 centimeter. Therefore, according by Pythagoras theorem, what we get is 13 square is equal to x minus 7 whole square plus x square. Simple. 13 square is 169. Sorry, 169 is equal to x minus 7 whole square. You apply a minus b whole square, and to that add x square and simplify. Take 169 to the right side. You get a quadratic equation. So x square minus 14x plus 49 plus x square, because a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. that is x square minus 14x, sorry 2x square minus 14x. I'll take 169 to the right hand side, so it becomes minus 169, that is 49. If I less it, 120 will come. 2 you take common, 7x minus 60 equal to 0, x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0, minus 60 you find the factors, and so that it should come minus 7 adding. Okay, you solve this quadratic equation yourself. Product should give minus 60. If you don't know the factors, you have to solve by prime factorization. 4 15 just 60, 3 5 is right. So this also can be made 2 2. See 6 and 10. Like that you group and do it. 60, right? It is how much it comes? 169 minus 49 is 120 only, right? 120 60. Okay, you solve yourself. Always try to solve quadratic equations properly. We'll move to the next question. Okay, this I'll solve quickly. Let's check out. A student bought some books. So number of books XC bought for rupees 60. Cost of each book what? Cost, okay, I'll say in X books if for cost. Cost of each books is what? 60 by X. Then Adi bought 5 more books, means X plus 5. The cost would have been less than 1 less, means 60 by X plus 5. It will be cost of each books. Therefore, 1 rupee less according to given. What is the cost of original book? 60 minus x by 60 by x plus 5. This is equal to 1. You have to solve this and bring it to quadratic equation. Take the LCM. Please pay attention. This is the LCM for algebraic terms. I'll give a clue, very simple. When you are taking LCM for algebraic terms, the denominator you check out for the fraction which you are taking the LCM. You leave that and rest will be the its product. That we multiply to the numerator. That is x how many times x of x plus 5 means leave this guy x and you write 60 of x plus 5. 60 of x plus 5 minus 6 x minus x plus 5 leave it, then you write x into 60, that is 60x equal to 1. See, open and square cross multiply in the same step. 60 into x is 60x plus 60 into 5 is 300 minus 60x equal to 1 into x of x plus 5, that is x square plus 5x. This cancels. So if you take 300 to left side, it will become minus 300 equal to 0. You solve this equation and you get the answer. Okay, number of books is nothing but x only. Let number of books be x. 53 we saw. We'll see the 54th one and I think we can wind up. Age of a father is 30 years more than the son. Let son's age be x years. Father age equal to x plus 30 years. Now, after 5 years, their ages relation is given. So, you first find after 5 years, what is the ages? After 5 years, son's age is equal to x plus 5. Father's age is equal to x plus 30 plus 5, that is x plus 35 years. Now read it. The product of their ages becomes 400, means after 5 years age, x plus 5 son age and x plus 35 becomes 400. Open the bracket, construct a quadratic equation. Quickly, let's see x into x square plus 35x plus 5x plus 35 into 5 is 5 5 is 25, 5 is 15 plus 17 equal to 400. X square plus 35 plus 5 is 40x plus 175 minus 400 equal to 0. X square plus 40x. 400 minus 125 means 200. Okay, 0 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, equal to 0. You solve this, you get the sun is as x because we assumed as sun as x. Father is, you add 30, you will get the father is. The rest of the questions we will see in the next class from 55. Okay, thank you.